Hello, thanks for taking the time to watch our video here, guys. This is Mitch Gingrich, President of Integrated Solutions Political. I want to show you a little bit about our integration with Political Data Inc. I think you guys are really going to like what you see today. ISP and PDI have integrated to an unheard of extent. We actually share databases. So when you're in your PDI database working with all the voter data there, you can rest assured that you're going to get maximal integration if you then use PDI. So I'm just going to kind of walk you through and show you how this works. Now you're probably coming over here looking at things from the PDI side, so you may not have ever seen ISP. We've got a bunch more videos to show you around our system, how it works, how everything is arranged. I will let you know that we focus very hard on usability, making everything easy, intuitive. If you ask us a question, we consider that a reason to change our code because the answer should be obvious. And if we have forced you to check a help file to ask us a question on how to do something, we feel like that's a failure. So we're always working to optimize this system to make it better, but hopefully you'll notice how hard we've already worked. So I'm going to go ahead and bring you in here and we'll go take a look at a record here. We're going to check out Zach Morris. I'm just going to get you familiarized with our system. So you can see we've got quite a bit different of a record view. The reason we elected to show our record this way is because it's optimized for treasurers, fundraisers, people who need a different type of information than maybe you're used to going after in PDI. The entire sort of PDI data set is designed for sort of major action analytics, whereas a treasurer is going to need to come into a record and find reference information. So things like occupation, employer, their totals, that sort of thing. I'm not going to go too far into this, but you'll start to see we've optimized a lot of little efficiencies into our system that make working inside here as easy as it possibly can be. And we're going to continue to do that. If you have an idea, make sure to let us know. We implement all reasonable suggestions. I'll repeat that. We implement all reasonable suggestions. You can see a couple here actually. One treasurer called us and said, hey, sometimes when I'm working with the records, I go down to modify information down below and I forget what record I'm on. So we put the name right here for you. As soon as you scroll down, you see that's highlighted there, and then it moves over there when you scroll down. That's the very same thing. Similar here, if you go to their cycle contribution totals, if you scroll down, you'll see those jump down here. So if you're going through their their other contributions or their donations to third parties, you have that information available to you anytime, any part of the record. So let's actually check out the integration here. I'm going to log into the PDI side. So you've been logged into ISP, we go log into PDI. Okay, so now we're logged in. This is probably going to look a little more familiar to you. So we just looked at Zach Morris's record. We saw some good data on him. Let's go ahead and look him up now. Let's just search for him. Okay, here he is. We'll go to his record. Okay, so here's his email addresses. Let's see if these are the same. So the second one down, we got test@test.com, zach.hartz.kelly@bayside.edu. Let's see if this is the same person. Oh yeah, test@test.com, zach.hartz.kelly@bayside.edu. This is definitely the same person, but let's do something else to make sure. Let's delete this first email here. Yes, I'm very sure. Okay, we've deleted that. Then let's go back over to the PDI record. And bingo, it's gone. So you can see what we've done here is we're actually operating out of the same database so that you're not passing data around and waiting for it to update. This is automatic. As soon as you make a change, if your treasurer is doing some work on the ISP side and you're doing some work on the volunteer side in the PDI account, your data is going to be 100% up to date. There's no way to put a value on that. That is great integration. Nobody else in our business has gone this far. It's a testament to how willing to help PDI has been that they went this far to work with us and make sure that you could get the best data you could possibly get. That's no surprise. Everybody knows how good PDI's data and software has been. So we have this very tight-knit, very close integration. Now, if you want to get a closer look, you're welcome to call us here at ISP at 800-926-0062. You can call your PDI rep. They'll get you a look at it. You're welcome to talk to us or talk to PDI. Either way, it's the same thing. All right, thanks for taking the time to watch this, and give us a call if you have questions.